I get over 100 subscribers every day, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys practically the strategies I use. It is not by your videos going viral. If it's by your videos going viral, I think by this point I wouldn't have been getting like those 100 subscribers every day. If you're looking forward to get 100 subscribers every day, you don't even know where to start, you don't even know how to start or go about it, this video is for you. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 5 strategies of how I've been able to achieve my 100 subscribers every day. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia and I'm back again with another man-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's move into my strategies so that you can see how I am able to achieve my 100 subscribers every day. First part is I create videos relating to all sections of my videos. What do I mean? I don't only come here to create long form videos. I don't only come here to create live stream videos. I don't only come here to create just short videos. And I don't only come here to say I'm just posting on my community. So I create different shades of my videos, which is the 4 places that we can create and upload videos, and that is what I exactly do. A lot of you that is conversant to this channel will know that whenever you're seeing my long form videos, you are either seeing my short videos in the morning, or you're seeing my community post in the afternoon, or you're seeing my live stream post on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So this is like using the 4 tools that YouTube actually bring down to you. So what I do is that I schedule my upload and know how to upload them. I can have like some shorts pile up in my what they call it. I'll create shorts and pile them up on my studio, and I'll also create long form videos and also unlist them on my studio, and also book my live stream for Friday, Saturdays, and Sunday. During when I'm going live, I get subscribers from going live. I get subscribers from people subscribing from my long form videos. I get subscribers from people subscribing from my short form videos. And I also get new audience that YouTube are recommending my videos to from my community post. And I also get subscribers from there. If your channel is fond of creating just long form videos or just short form videos, I think you should start inculcating this 4th step by maximizing and using this particular thing that YouTube has already put for us to use. And if you're doing that, trust me, you're getting subscribers from east, west, north, and south will actually be a huge plus to you. So imagine you're getting like 10 subscribers from your short, and you're getting like 50 subscribers from your long form videos, and then you are getting, if it's just 30 subscribers from your live stream. If you accumulate all of those subscribers together, you are going to be meeting up your subscribers target count. Okay, and there are a lot of people preach that subscribers does not equate revenue, but yes, subscriber is a ground for you to build a community and audience that actually rely on you. That is why it is good for you to do what these 4 phrase of this YouTube features. Okay, upload long form videos, upload short form videos, upload live stream videos, which is do live stream videos, and then do what? Create community post and then post. If you don't even have anything to put in your community post, you can reshare your old content so that your old content can actually be visible to new viewers that will actually come and subscribe. The second thing that I've been able to do to achieve my 100 subscribers every day is to remind my people to subscribe. It is very important that whenever you're creating videos, you put a subscribe button for people to see. And for people like us that don't usually put subscribe buttons like from beginning to the end or in between our videos, we always use our mouth to remind people to subscribe, to remind you people to subscribe. That is why if you check my intro video, from the first 1 minute of my video, I put an intro video that can actually remind you to subscribe. And in between me talking in my videos, I still remind you to subscribe. And at the end of my video, I remind you to subscribe. So a lot of people might just come to watch your videos, but if you don't remind them to subscribe, that clicking on that subscribe button they will not click. So it is very important for you to always remind your audience to subscribe. That is another strategy that I've been able to use. And if you're watching this video at this point and you have not subscribed, please do well to hit on my subscribe button, because I really, really love you. So remind your audience to subscribe if you want to be achieving all of that 100 subscribers or more than 100 subscribers every day. There are days I wake up with 500, 200, 300 subscribers, and this can also be you. So always make sure to remind your audience to subscribe to your YouTube channel or any other social media platform that you are at all. It is definitely going to be a huge plus. Which is bringing me to the third strategies that I usually use. Third is I try in as much as possible to work on my thumbnail, to work on my editing skills, to work on my descriptions, to work on my hashtags. These things are very, very important. If you want YouTube to keep recommending your videos and let new people keep seeing your videos and keep subscribing to your YouTube channel, you must try in as much as possible to work on all of these things that I've been able to mention. If your YouTube channel thumbnail is suck, trust me, there is no way anybody is even going to click on it. That is why if you check, there is a huge difference between the thumbnail I've been doing for the past years that I've been on YouTube and the thumbnail I'm actually doing now. And I am still working on it. So it is very good for you to work on your thumbnail as days goes on. Let people have those attention, those attracting measures for them to be able to magnet on your channel. And your descriptions are very important, because your descriptions tells YouTube the kind of audience that they are supposed to push out your videos to. And once YouTube push out your videos to your right audience, definitely if they see what you are doing and they love it, because they are your right audience, they are going to subscribe. And working on hashtag, a lot of people take hashtags for granted, but I actually do not know why. Hashtags is something that can also make your YouTube to be in that search engine. Yes, hashtag cannot give you all of that viral video that you have, but if YouTube did not have any need for hashtag, or if hashtag is not important on YouTube, YouTube will not be putting hashtag in their setting buttons. So do it, try in as much as possible to find hashtags that is relating to the kind of content that you're creating. Take for example, you can go into the description and check the kind of hashtags that I use for this video. You're going to see that that hashtag is in line with this particular kind of videos that I'm doing. The mistake a lot of people made whenever they're using hashtag is they are creating content for lifestyle and they are doing hashtag for DIYs, or they are creating content for fashion and they are doing hashtag for cars. So if you're doing the right hashtag and using the right hashtag directly to the kind of content that you are creating, definitely YouTube is going to make sure that those content fit into the kind of audience that you're actually looking for. And it will give your channel another edge for your audience to be able to watch your videos and then subscribe to your videos. So these things are very important. If you are fond of joking with your thumbnail, your description, your titling, your hashtag, these 4 things that I've been able to mention to you, please try in as much as possible to walk your way through them, so that at the end of the day, when people get to see your videos, they will be able to magnet to your channel and then subscribe to your channel. The next means I've been able to use to generate 100 subscribers or more than 100 subscribers every day to my YouTube channel is dropping valuable comments. Yes, a lot of you people have gone to different content creators and then you will see my comment and some of you guys will be like, oh, Viral Sonia is here too. Yes, I watch people's content a lot. If you are on this YouTube street and you don't watch people's content, I don't think you are ready for business, okay? If you're ready for business, you need to also watch other creators. You might watch other creators relating to what you are doing. I watch other creators relating to my YouTube tutorials. I still watch creators relating to my lifestyle vlogs because, yes, these are the kind of content that I create. So why won't I watch them? So I watch other people's content and I go ahead to drop valued comments. And from dropping valued comment, I've been able to connect with some persons from there, and a lot of people have been able to also connect with me. Okay, so it is very important for you to watch people's video and drop a comment. So if you are not fond of dropping comments, stop it. Once you see all those your big content creators channel that you love so much, make sure that as you're watching the video, in fact, before you finish that video from beginning to the end or from beginning to the middle, anyhow you choose to watch that video, make sure you drop a comment that has value, a comment that can magnet people down here. A lot of people can be a testimony, they can't testify. A lot of people can testify that a lot of them has been connecting from the comment section. Yes, it might not be all that big, it might not be all that super, but it is something, and it gives you an edge to like build your subscribers count. Okay, in as much as you're also doing that, you try as much as possible to do what also reciprocates to them. So, and I believe that it's not everybody's content that you are going to watch as long as YouTube is concerned. The audience is wide enough, but trying as much as possible to build a family that can at least recognize you on YouTube and be like, this person has been a supporter to me. I can use one lady as an example, which is Chefuya. She always attend my live stream. She always do well to do what, comment on my videos and also watch my videos. And there is no way that I don't do same for her, even if I don't go ahead to like check all a live stream one after the other because of one thing or two things that I've been doing. So the spare time that you have, you try as much as possible to check out other people's channel, drop valuable comments, and trust me, people will be connecting to you from there. The next strategies, which is the last strategy that I've been able to implement to get my subscribers, is I create content that has value. Value is everything. Value is everything. I repeat, value is everything. And I brought this last because I know I've preached about creating content with value a lot. And I will not stop preaching about it because at the end of the day, if your content is not bringing value on this YouTube street, you are not going to be making anything out of it. There's just going to be a way different between you that is creating content that has value and the person that is creating content that doesn't have any value. You're creating content that doesn't have any value. If I'm coming to watch you, I'm coming to watch you. It might be like a one-time thing and I might not even subscribe to your channel. But if I see your content has value and I want to like see more of your content, definitely I am going to subscribe to your channel and I am going to stay glued to your channel. So if you're fond of not creating content that has value, you are wrong. Try as much as possible to create content that has value so that it can attract subscribers to your channel. And it will not only attract the negative part of the subscribers, it will attract the positive part of the subscribers that will stay and always come back to watch your videos. Any niche you are creating, try in as much as possible to bring content that has value so that at the end of the day, you are going to be magneting subscribers. So these are the tips and strategies I've been able to use, and I continue to use them, and I continue to develop myself on more tips and strategies on how I can achieve my 100 subscribers every day. And let me remind you, consistency is the key. If you're not consistent on your YouTube channel, at the end of the day, getting those subscribers will not even count anything. Because imagine me getting over 30,000 subscribers and at the end of the day, I don't upload, I just left them like that. Most of them are going to unsubscribe, or most of them are going to be like a dormant subscribers. When I go far and I come back again to repost, they're not going to just have interest in what I am creating. So in everything you are doing, in getting your 100 subscribers, make sure that consistency is your number one key that you're putting into place. And trust me, getting subscribers will actually not be an issue to you. Thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. If you have any video you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section and I will be doing that for you. And if you have not subscribed at this point, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.